County in south-central Wisconsin, western Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:36 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Elkhorn, moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Delavan, Lake Geneva, Twin Lakes, Union Grove, Paddock Lake, Williams Bay, Camp Lake, Genoa City, Walworth, Silver Lake, Clinton, Richmond, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Browns Lake, Eagle Lake, Powers Lake, Pale Lake, and Bonners Lake. People attending Country Thunder should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.